Kwashiorkor is a nutritional disease characterized by severe malnutrition.
Symptoms include delayed growth in children, weight loss, edema or swelling, hair loss, fatigue, flaky rashes, and more. It occurs as a result of a number of factors, which include a diet lacking insufficient protein content, limited food supply, unfavorable climate conditions, and also the food culture of certain regions.
The disease is most prominent in regions of subtropical and tropical zones and attacks mainly children between ages from 1 to 5 living in poverty.
This is because as a growing child, the body has a high demand for proteins content. This demand can be satisfied by what is in the mother's breast milk. Limited food supply in poor areas also makes it hard to access foods and necessary protein portions. Children in such regions start becoming accustomed to primarily carb-based diets with little to no proteins. Kwashiorkor diagnosis involves a liver exam to check for a swollen liver. This is known as hepatomegaly. Other forms of diagnosis may include urine and blood sample tests for protein and sugar level. There are several other exams run to assess factors such as muscle breakdown, kidney functioning, and growth patterns. Kwashiorkor is also known as protein deficiency syndrome. Proteins are large complex biomolecules composed of several thousands of smaller units called amino acids. A single amino acid molecule is composed of a central atom bonded to an amine group, which is comprised of a nitrogen atom with one lone pair of electrons and two hydrogen atoms. The carboxyl group, which is made up of a carbon atom double bonded to an oxygen and single bonded to a hydroxyl. The third group, attached to the central carbon atom, is a hydrogen atom, and finally, a fourth group called the R group. This distinguishes different amino acids from each other. Amino acids link together via condensation reaction to create peptide bonds that form a polypeptide or macromolecule. Proteins are vital biomolecules that make up 50% of all dry cell mass. There are 8 functional protein groups under which various specialized proteins are classified. These include structural, enzymatic, storage, receptor, contractile, hormonal, defensive, and transport proteins. You may be able to tell from the range of groups under which proteins function that they are useful for many jobs, are highly necessary for countless processes that take place all around our bodies, and do well in maintaining the smooth running of our bodies. The adrenal cortex is a structure located on the surface of the adrenal gland. It produces a variety of substances that assist in the regulation of cell proteins. When a person has Kwashiorkor, the cortex responsiveness becomes ineffective, resulting in a decrease in blood amino acids and compromising the process of protein synthesis. Kwashiorkor treatment is mainly built upon dietary rehabilitation and modification. A person with Kwashiorkor could develop a high-protein diet, take vitamins and supplements often, and in the case of infants who have not yet reached feeding stage, by being routinely fed breast milk. Treatments administered by a nutritionist may involve special diet therapy that gradually guides a patient towards increasing their calorie and protein consumption. Challenges. The difficulty is in increasing healthy and nutritional foods within poor regions. Secondly, establishing partnerships that support children and parents in disadvantaged situations. Despite Kwashiorkor's heaviness in the developing world, especially among poor regions, there can still be modes of remediation. This includes sharing experiences about the importance of balanced diet and creating awareness, creating peaceful environments, and establishing NGOs within communities to support children and parents affected.
Now that we know what there is to know about Kwashiorkor,
a little lesson to take with you. Kids, don't forget to eat your proteins. You'll find them in beans, in meats when lean, and don't forget your green greens.
Created using Powtoon.